Shilin is an excellent tutor. She is knowledgeable about the computer and the program. She has patience and she instills confidence while tutoring. During the process, I gain a better understanding of formatting my Word documents, including headings, inserting table of contents, adjusting the table of contents, and including tables. I was also able to learn much about using the internet. So I'm now able to surf the internet and to use the Facebook almost effectively. So I was able to navigate properly. I'm now able also to use the Zoom program and manage the Zoom program. Shilin was superb in the tutoring process. I enjoyed the program.
Want to hire my tutoring services? Just email me at theequinnpublic@gmail.com. That is theequinnpublic@gmail.com. Let's make your experience the experience of a lifetime.